Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about 5 rules of composition for bird photography. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. Thank you.
Composition is the main thing that can make your images more appealing and it can help you turn your images from quick snapshots into a masterpiece. I made a video last year guys where I talk about 5 basic rules of composition. You can check it out right here and also with the link down below. Please check it out, or else you can continue with this video which is more specific to bird photography. Rule of space relates to the direction the subject is facing or moving towards. For example, in this photograph of a wood sandpiper, you have more space in front of the bird than behind it. This implies that there is more space within the frame for the bird to move into. This is kind of similar to the rule of thirds, where you divide your frame in a 3x3 grid and place your subject along the lines or at the intersecting points of these lines. Rule of odds suggests that there should be an odd number of birds in your frame to make it look more appealing. For example, here I have 3 pelicans flying together, which makes the scene look more natural and visually appealing. But what if there are an even number of birds flying together? 2 birds or 6 birds? You cannot leave one bird out of the shot or add another one. So try to follow this rule wherever possible, but don't interfere with Mother Nature. Using a shallow depth of field to isolate your subject is the best way to achieve a simple composition. By using a wide aperture of around f5 or f6.3, you can blur the background that would otherwise distract the viewer from the main subject. Sometimes having just one bird can leave a sort of void on the other side. To overcome this, you can compose your shots to include a secondary subject of lesser importance and size on the other side of your frame. This balances your composition and does not take the focus away from your main bird. Bird photography is best if it is taken at eye level, not the photographer's eye level, the bird's eye level. Get up high for that bird flying and get down low for that bird walking in the mud or water. Best is to lie down on your bellies for that perfect ground level shot. So guys, these are 5 rules of composition that I follow with respect to bird photography. It is very difficult to compose your bird shots within camera, so it is always advisable to have enough room around your bird so that you can recompose it later. If you guys found this video to be useful, give me a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any feedback or suggestions for me, or let me know how you engage in bird photography. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I'm on YouTube. Here is my previous video. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned every Wednesday for new videos on my channel. Bye.